Hey there, Chris Bench, essay coach for HelloCollege, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about prompt 7 for the Common App personal statement. Share an essay on any topic of your choice. It can be one you've already written, one that responds to a different prompt, or one of your own design. So this is the Common App basically telling you that any of the other prompts that, if they aren't working for you, you can do this one. In some ways, it's them saying that, hey, what we care about for this essay is less that you follow the prompt and more that you just do a good job effectively communicating who you are. So if you choose this prompt, you get a lot of freedom. This is the sort of choose your own adventure prompt. This is the freestyle. This is your 10 minutes on Funkmaster Flex. This is your opportunity to sort of chart your own course through the essay. That said, it can be tricky if you don't think that you are the strongest writer in the world. You might want to avoid this prompt because you don't really have as much of a roadmap in front of you. That said, if you are, if you do take creative writing classes and you love English class and you are an avid reader and this is an area where you feel really comfortable, this can be a way to sort of differentiate yourself a little bit from other people. It can also, you'll note, be an opportunity to make your life a little bit easier by cannibalizing some other document, some other project that you've already written. So you'll note here it says that, hey, you can pull from a paper that you had to write for class. It can be a prompt that you had to write for some other completely different assignment somewhere. Maybe you just have you like to journal and you have a part of a journal entry that you're like, hey, this is something that I know that I can use for my essay. I did this when I was in high school. I took a creative writing assignment that I had that I thought had turned out particularly well, and I massaged it a little bit, reworked it a little bit, trimmed it a little bit. I had to go back and do a little bit of work on it, but I already had 2/3 of my college essay written. It was just written for a different purpose. So again, a great prompt if you feel comfortable with your writing. One to maybe sort of steer a little clearer from if that's an area where you're a little bit less comfortable.